How to change Amazon Prime account phone number. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change phone number in Amazon Prime account. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open your preferred web browser and go to the official website of Amazon Prime and sign in using your existing credential. And once you are inside the website, simply navigate to your account. And from the pop-up menu that appears, simply select Account and Settings. Once you are in the Account and Settings section, look for the option labeled Your Details. And once you have located that option, simply click on Edit on Amazon button beside that option. Now, in the Login and Security section, simply find the option labeled Primary Mobile Number. And once you have located that option, simply tap on the Add button beside that option. Now, in this section, enter your new phone number in the provided field. And once you're done with it, simply click on Continue. And after that, the new phone number will be updated. And that's how you can change phone number in the Amazon Prime account. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.